What up, YouTube? This is Domination Nation here, and I am recording for a second time today, just because I just can't believe this. I just got this app today. It's called Mobizen. I feel like you should get it if you don't have anything better, because it's actually really cool. But anyway, let's get to the main point of this video. This video is going to be about something weird I found out when I was killing mobs for some reason. So basically, what I just put a 3x3 hole, or 3x3x1 hole in the ground, and then filled it all with lava. And then you're going to want to go up into the sky quite a while, or quite a ways up, and just like find a place where you could drop mobs from. So, and I have made one of these over there, so we don't have to go build it. Well, I guess you don't exactly have to make a 3x3x1. You can just place one and surround it by trapdoors. And in case you don't know what these do, it makes the mobs think that it's a 1 block when it's actually not. So you could make them fall down and you can make them walk into the lava just in case they miss. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fly up. This is very hard if you're trying to do it in creative, because you have to, or in survival, because you have to get a bunch of chickens. But I recommend doing it in creative. You're just going to fill your capsule thing with chickens. And since chickens have a gliding effect, oh no, dang it. Oh, well. Since chickens have a gliding effect, when they fall down, they spin around in a circle. But they slowly spin because of their gliding effect. And if you have your set up like mine, try very hard not to. I did it again. Try hard not to knock your chickens out or punch them. Anyway, when you feel like you have it filled up enough, just go down and make it so that way the chickens will fall. Please stop falling. You gotta be kidding. Well, I guess it's a good thing I have another one set up over here. Yes, that's a banana. Hi. Lag. Oh, God. Okay, good. Oh, I already have one set up. My bad, I forgot. Sorry for the lag, guys. I guess there's just too many chickens. It shouldn't happen in the next video. Oh, hopefully I've taken care of all the chickens by the next video. And that's what I like to call the ripple effect. If you saw that. Anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you guys And you know what? I want to show you guys this. See this up here? I don't like it. But inside, you know, Chandelier by Sia. You can swing from the chandelier now, guys. Oh. But anyway, guys, that will do it for this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.